Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create database, table and insert data in SQL Server. So let's get started. First of all, obviously I'm going to open my SQL. So I have this over here, SQL Server Management Studio 19. I'm going to open this up. Once you open, this is how it looks like. Obviously I'm going with the desktop and click on connect. And on the left side, we have so many options over here. Here you can see I don't have any database right now, but we are going to create. How? Just click on write, and here we have that option, new database. Just click on this option. Once you click on that, you can name that from over here. I'm going to write demo1, and click on OK. Once you click on that, you can see we have that database over here. So let's make a new query from over here, this option. Once you click on that, you will see something like this. So here we are going to create a table, and this is very easy, by the way. We need to put some things here before we go and continue. So first of all, we would like to tell SQL that use demo1. So this is what I'm gonna say, use demo1, as you can see. So once you do that, make sure to add this and enter. You're going to execute it, so you can see that command completed successfully. So I'm going to add one more thing over here, which is going to be create table players. This is what I'm going to write over here. Once you write that, I'm going to create open brackets over here. So this is what you are going to write, right? So I'm going to execute it as well, so we can see that that command is successful or not. So once you click on that, you can see that the command completed successfully. That means this is good. Now we are going to tell the SQL to create table, and obviously you can create anything over here. I'm just going to create a table for a player. Obviously once you are creating something else, you are going to mention here something else, right? So I'm going to create a new line, and I'm going to write insert into players and open bracket player ID, which I have written above. After that, comma, player name. And as you can see, once I even write PLA, they will show you what you need to enter, right? So I'm going to go with this one and bracket close. After that, you need to tell the value what you need to enter or what you need to write, right? I'm going to write values, open bracket 1, comma. After that, once you enter that, make sure to copy, or you can say select all of this and click on execute. So we are going to execute this. So you can see that one row affected. Now we are going to one more row with the same thing but with the different name and obviously with the different value. So I'm going to copy all of this, go to the next line, paste that again, and I'm going to write second, and I'm going to write over here, right? Once you do that, obviously these are some examples which I'm going to show you over here with the player's name, and you can do with anything over here. Now I'm going to close this whole command. What it is, just enter select space star from players. Once you do that, just enter, and what we are going to do, we are going to select the last command which we have given and click on execute. Once you click on execute, you will see that here you will see the results of the column which we have, the table which we have created. So once you click on execute, you can see that we have that over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know, how to create a table and how to create a database. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.